Okay, got a muffler installed. This is actually the one that came from the Hooptie build, but it'll work in this situation since this engine, as long as it doesn't have a knock, will be going in the Hooptie Craftsman. Or sorry, Hooptie Murray, not Hooptie Craftsman. But let's see. I hear a bit of a rattle there. There's a bit of a low end rattle, but it doesn't necessarily sound like a knock. Okay, there is a noise, but to be honest, it doesn't sound that bad. It's not like a good thump, 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 thump knock. So, I did post a short, so the short will be uploaded before this video. But, I don't know. I have to think about this one. Get some input. Like, to me, that doesn't sound too bad. So, let's think on this one and we'll see what happens. So talk to me later. Please keep it redneck like always, and please subscribe and comment.